Alright, hi guys. Welcome to a Work With Me video. For this video, I'm going to be updating my YouTube channel to prepare to upload these Work With Me videos. So I am going to do that. If you have been avoiding doing something with your YouTube channel, if you have one, then take this time to do the same thing. If you're not sure how to do things, you can just follow along if you want to, or just use this time to work on whatever it is that you plan on working on. So, customization here. This YouTube channel, I used to upload game videos on, like gameplay. I would play Final Fantasy 14 and I had to upload gameplay videos. I didn't really get very far with it, so I just need to get rid of that stuff. That's what this little picture is from my character. Now, I already fixed the basic info here. I don't have enough followers yet to be able to change this, so can't change that yet. That's fine. But I do need to update my images here, because I think the Final Fantasy 14 images would look just a little bit confusing to people looking for co-working. So I'm going to use Canva to do that. First of all, I'm just going to go ahead and remove those. And then save that in case. Okay. So let's see. Canva. Canva is my favorite thing. Close out of the couple of things I was working on already. Okay. And if anybody would like, I can definitely do some videos on Canva. I've been using Canva for, oh gosh, I don't even know, like 6 or 7 years maybe. I love it. I love Canva. I do pretty much everything in Canva. Okay. Anyway, we're going to do a new, I think they have like a template type thing for YouTube. But I want, there you go, channel logo right there. Now, to be honest, I'm not really 100% set on the name. I just needed something to put out there so I could keep going. So this might change in the future. I'm just going to do something basic and like, I don't know, like helping hands or something like that. Yeah, see? Oh yeah, it's perfect. And it's free, even better. Love that. It's going to be round, so doesn't matter too much. So this big I can make it now. Get this centered, and then co-working with Sam, right? That's what co-working with Sam. So we'll just do some basic text. I'm going to make this more transparent, like 50. What kind of font? So many choices. Oh, there's a marker. Bold, messy marker. Actually, I thought I would like that better. I don't. Like a note, like a scribbly note thing. That's kind of what I was thinking maybe for a minute. Just like some messy handwriting. Quick little notepad scribble. Co-working with Sam. Like a memo. Let's see if I have something. Maybe. Let's see what else. Messy marker regular. Maybe. I like that great banana one best so far. Oh, it's not bad. I just love the name of this one. It's called Overthinking Font. Maybe I should use that one. I don't know, I gotta think about it. Alright, I'm just gonna go with that one, yeah. Go with Overthinking Font. But then I am going to effects and give a little bit of something. There we go. Go black. And direction is 0. Basically just making it like bold. Thickness. Like 50. I think that's good. That's fine enough for now. Don't want to go overthinking it. Okay. This. Museum YouTube logo. And download. I think it said PNG that it needs. You can use a GIF. What? I don't want to do that. Okay, PNG. Don't want it transparent. So. Perfect. Just go onto my desktop. Okay, let's upload that one. See how it looks. Does it fit? Perfect. Looks great. Done and done. Nice. Okay. Now for the YouTube banner. This, I remember having trouble with this because it is different on all the different devices. And so I don't really know if I want text in there. I'll have to see. But okay, we'll do a new one. And this one, we'll do YouTube banner. Perfect. Right. 2048, 1152. And the size was loading. Okay, bigger than that, so that's fine. Let's see. Maybe that same. Do I want the same? Let's try it and see. I'm not sure. Will it even fit? Or is it gonna look weird? mean, just for now. Okay. Text. And my little tagline thing was this one. What font did I use? It was Overthinking, right? I think so. Working together, succeeding together. I like it. Maybe it won't be cut off if I put it in the middle. Or it'll just be what it is, I guess. That's fine too. I'm gonna make it bold again. So I think that's what I did. And then I made that black. And then this was the 0. This was the 0, and that was 50, right? Yeah. Just make it all the way out. This side. Okay. I'll just call it good for now. It'll be something. I'll play around with it more later, but at least I'll have something on there. Now, is this also PNG? Probably. It doesn't say. Okay. Probably PNG. Desktop. Perfect. And then what's this little watermark? Do I want a watermark? I don't think I'm going to worry about a watermark. At least not right now. Where did it go? Did I desktop? Oh shoot. Did it say somewhere else? Let's do this. What the heck? To be very specific. Oh, yeah. Okay, maybe I'm just not seeing it. Maybe that's what it is. I'm just not seeing it. Maybe I just need another drink of coffee. I mean, it should be right there on the top. Where did it go? No. So why would it go in my downloads? I don't know. Did it get saved in? It got saved in there. Okay, let's just put this onto the desktop. Okay, there we go. Yeah, see, dang it. Viewable on all devices. Okay, so I need to make it silly. Viewable on TV. I want all devices, so I want it in this spot. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is don't even know. Well, I was going to screenshot it, but it's not exactly... That's fine. We'll do this. That is what I'm going to do. Upload. File. See, I'm probably taking too much time on this, but that's okay. Okay. Come on. Okay, what I'm going to do is line it, get it so that it's the same size. Oh, does that look right? Right there. Okay. And then I'm going to, oh, it's already in the back. Okay. I'm going to take this, my actual words, make them smaller so they fit inside of this box right here. And then I can delete that. And oh, it looks so small, but it says little fit. So save that. Usually automatically saves, but I always like to press save to be safe. Desktop. Replace. Okay, let's try this one again. It's such a small space that you can see it. This just seems so silly. But there you go. Viewable on all devices. TV is huge. Desktop is wider, but not huge. So perfect. Okay. I gotta say though, in that picture I don't like it, but it's fine for now. That's what it is. So I got the basic info. I updated the description. Add links. I'll end up adding links to my sites and stuff. Layout. I will need to create a channel trailer. Like a welcome video, I guess is what it's called, probably. But for now, let's view this channel. Co-working with Sam. So why do I not see the thing? Okay, because it's my channel, is that why? Oh well. Either way. Well, there you have it. This may or may not be the first video. I will have to decide after I look at it. But thank you so much for joining me in co-working. Hopefully you found it helpful, whether you were trying to update something on your YouTube channel or you just needed somebody to work with you in the background for some body doubling. So feel free to subscribe so that you can keep following along for more work with me videos, and I will see you next time. Thanks!